Avoid breaking your backs, yet small agricultural machines are available on the market. Today, I will be talking about some of the small machines and implements available on the market. So, one of the machines I'll be talking about is a mini loader. These mini loaders are actually they are used for all the small jobs on the farm. For example, cleaning the boxes and then doing all sorts of small jobs which actually could break a human being. So if you are to be a successful farmer and a long living farmer,
So nice.
you will really need something like you need to use some of the
I
small
wish it could be
machines
this
available on
beautiful
market.
forever.
This mini loader is actually it doesn't consume a lot of fuel. It's something very small. It doesn't consume a lot, and it's more easier to operate than any other machine because it even does multiple jobs. For example, if you're a cow farmer, you can use it for putting the sand on your beds. You can use it for carrying the cows or even the calves from the field. You can use it, and then also you can also use this one for feeding your cows at the same time. So it really does multiple work. And then the other machine I want to talk about is we have Bobman feed turner. This feed turner actually is used for feeding the cows by pushing the feed nearer to the cows. So it just has a wheel which rotates and then pushing the feed nearer to the cow in case it's far because cows need food each and every time. Then we also have Bobman multi-load. This is used for mixing the feed. At the same time, it does multiple job actually, and you're also cleaning the cow beds while you are going to put the straw on the bed. It's also used for putting the straw. So while you are putting the straw, you're also cleaning at the same time, and also it can also be used for scraping the manure at the same time. And the one thing is, for example, this one here, it's actually electrical. It's you can just even charge it and then you continue using it continuously, and it's more easier to maintain because just see, it doesn't use a lot of fuel. You can even adjust the size. For example, here you can adjust it. Use it if you don't want a lot of straw or food to come out, so you adjust it. So this belt, the green one, is the belt for conveying the food or for putting the food down. And then also we have got Westman sweep and clean. This Western, it's called Westman sweep and clean. It's used for sweeping and cleaning the compounds, roads, for example, when there's snow in areas with the snow, and then when there's a compound, when you're cleaning some compound, and then you're also sweeping it at the same time, it's not, it's so nice. And then also we have got Westman radio basin. Radio basin actually it's used for either pushing food, you can use it, it's a multi-purpose, and then it's used for scrapping the manure on the floor. Because even you can adjust it, and for it you just push it, you also recharge it. It is you can charge it, just it is recharged. Once the power is over, you charge it and then you continue, just you push it. You don't need to use fuel or anything. So it's good for small farmers if you are to take your agriculture forward. And then also you can adjust. So and then the other thing is we have got land clearing equipment. For example, this land clearing equipment, they have different sizes, but a small farmer can also get one of these ones. They are called land clearing equipment. If you want to use it for, it's actually used for clearing the grass and small trees on the farm. So you don't need to use either shlasa in some of the African countries, and don't need to use the tools which are going to break you. So you just have to use the land clearing equipment, which you can easily mount on a tractor or a small tractor. You mount depending on the size of the equipment, or depending on the size of the equipment. For example, these ones are very small, so these ones you can easily mount them on small tractors, and then you operate it from there. You can see they are just easy. You connect them, then they continue slashing for you and clearing for you the bush and getting it ready for the next harvest season. Then the other thing is we have got milk tax. This is actually used for warming and cooling milk for your feeding for feeding cows. So it has ability, like it keeps milk warm while you are feeding to the cows. And then we also have got the trimmers. These ones are actually used for trimming the compound, like the grasses on the compound. So it's more or less like a mower, but for it we call them trimmers. So they're just used for, they call it Subman, but they're used for on the compound. You can even mount it on a motorcycle or any kind of machine which can move it, because they are smaller. You can easily move them on those machines. So guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't, and also commenting and sharing it with your friends, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so as not to miss on the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.